Okay, now we're back here in creating an ad to the lookalike audience and the custom audience that I created earlier for Denise. So this is the second part of that tutorial to show you where we're sending it. So we're going to be sending it to this landing page, which the elements of this landing page that are good are that we have a countdown timer here, so it shows there's only 2 days left of the offer. Now this is an application, so Denise isn't sending to a lead pages, this is just an optimized press sales page or web page that's turned into a sales page, and she's put an app on here called Timerlay, timerlay.com. I think it's about $100. And it gives you a countdown timer on any page that you need, which is quite good. So that's great for adding that limited factor. She's also said here, limited time offer, take your life to the next level with these advanced manifesting secrets. So she's got the 500 mega bundle of the most powerful manifesting tools ever for just $97. So I'm going to make sure that when I'm looking at landing pages, she's got the big buy now button. So you know what happens on this page is that she's just going straight to the sale. So there's no opt-in here because this is mainly created for her list, which is why I'm going to use the custom audiences feature to show the ad to her list, because we don't need to warm them up with what Denise can do for them. They're already on her list. So this is a great strategy. If you've got a few people on your list, you might want to use this too. So that's the page that we're sending the traffic to. So then we need to go and create a newsfeed ad in Power Editor. So to start doing that, we can click up here to manage ads, and then we'll go to the left hand side when that comes up, when I'm on her account. I won't do that now because I've already got it up, but I will, because you won't see the Power Editor button if I do not. So let me just find her on here. She's here. And then we click on Power Editor down here. And then we go just to, not audiences, sorry, just Power Editor. That's going to take us through there. And then make sure when you come onto Power Editor, you download your latest ads accounts here. So let's make sure we've got those all up and running. So I'll just make sure everything's ticked, that it's download. So we've got everything on there. And then once you've done that, I'll just leave that while that's doing that. Go to Manage Pages up the top here. So I've already clicked on there, and then I've got Denise's page here because I'm going to create a post here. So in order to do that, I click to the left and select the Facebook page I want the post to go on, and then I click on Create a Post up here on the right. Now we've got a bit.ly link already for this page. So as I've said before, we create a shortened link for this, and we just copy that here and come around back here. I'm going to enter that as the destination or the URL, and the post text I'm going to, now I want to marry this up with the landing page, so I'm going to copy one of the subheads she's got there, which was the limited time offer. So limited time offer, I might put that in caps. Get your $500 mega, I might just put that in title case there. And let's pop that there. Sorry for that noise in the background, it's construction noise next door. I sometimes like just putting title case in these posts to make it kind of stand out in the news feeds. And I might just put my, because it's going to be coming like from Denise, so it's good, the more you can make it more personalized, the better. The most powerful manifesting tools ever. Just I don't think I want to put the price on there. Sometimes it can be good to just, I think it's good to just make it a little bit more friendly than that. Click here to find out more. And then we're going to take that bit.ly link, still make sure that's always in the post so that up the top. So once again, we're using those elements. Again, grab their attention, create a call to action and a link within that post text. We're going to put learn more there. You could put shop now or sign probably shop now or download, but I think learn more is better. So the link headline, this goes to show you as part of the link, or what comes up as a link. So with this, we just put luckybitch.com, which is her website, as what's going to show. Oh, actually, sorry, I lied. The headline. So the display link is that, and then the headline will be. Let's go back to the page just to work out. I'm doing this on the fly. So advanced manifesting secrets marries up with that. Get my advanced, or I'll just put advanced manifesting secrets there. And then we get another opportunity here to describe what's in the bundle there. So if we go back to the landing pages, it's where your landing page is important, what you put on here. And I might just take this off her page, and because that's quite a good piece of copy. Now this doesn't have as much space here. So you know what? I actually quite like that up the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that up here because we've got some more space. So let me put that at the top, and I'm going to take off that other piece of copy and put that down the bottom. So newest, all of my newest, I'm going to say best here. And then I'm going to take this. I'm going to still leave that call to action there. I'm going to take this off here and pop that down here in the link description. Normally this only sort of fits a line, so be careful. So I'll just put bundle of my most powerful. Okay, we'll leave that there. So we've just swapped that around because I have a feeling this is more of a lead-in natural kind of copy to put here for the first time ever. I'm giving away all of my best manifesting tools for one low price. Click here to find out more. I could even put something like Lucky Bitches there, because that's part of her website. It could be a bit cheeky to grab a bit of attention. But I won't do that now, but that's another option that I could do. Upload the image. I'm going to do that. Hopefully I've already created this Facebook bundle. Here we go. So we've got the image here. It's got limited time offer on there. That would probably look better with a border as well when it shows up in the newsfeed, but that's okay. We're making sure that any text is less than 20%. We can publish this on her page as well later, but anyway, I'll just use it as an ad for the moment because I don't know what her publishing schedule's like on her page right now. So we've got here for the first, now because you cannot edit this, so you always want to double check. For the first time ever, I'm giving away all my best manifesting tools for one low price. Quick, it ends soon, because this is only available for the next 2 days, so I want to make sure people know that ends soon. Okay. And then we've got limited time offer, 500 mega bundle of my most powerful manifesting tools ever. Great. Okay, so I'm going to create that. Now you'll see here the little crescent moon shape here. That means that it's not published on her page. We've just got the post. So we highlight that and then we click on create ad. And I think that is her ad account. I just do need to check. Less than 125. Let me go back here. One moment. I need to go back to I want to make sure, because I manage a few ads accounts, we always just got to make sure. Sometimes Power Editor has a little bit of a habit of flicking onto different accounts. So you don't want, obviously, if you are managing multiple accounts, the wrong account number to show up. So let me just grab that. Oh, dear me. Let me just do that. Okay, I'm going to go to Denise. Where is she? Okay, great. I know what that is now, so that's fine. I'm going to go and have a look at what I've created here. So I need to generally create a campaign first. So manifesting bundle. And we'll select auction, and we can select page post engagement on that because we've created a page post. And now I want to create an ad here. Create an ad set. We'll just go use existing manifesting bundle. Okay, we can create and then custom audiences. We'll just call it something so you know what you can refer it to. So just click create. Sometimes it's a bit redundant. You don't really need it. Now I want to make sure that what this has a habit of doing is she's happy to spend 200 on that. Is starting later than we need. So this is the current time, so that's good. We're all good. And we might, this does end on Saturday. So we'll take off run continuously, and then I'll put in here 24, 20, that will be 26 at, might put that on, I might do 11 p.m. I think it runs for the whole day. There we go, that should work. And scheduled, so that's fine. So that's the ad set, that's all great, it's on. So then we go to ads, and I'm going to create, I just popped that back the wrong way actually, sorry. When I go back to manage the pages, that's where I'm going to create the ad here, which, because I didn't have the campaign, it wasn't giving me that straight away, but that's all right. I'll have to do it from here. So I'm doing that, name ad, last chance bundle, create. Okay, now it's telling me, yeah, because we haven't got the information in here. So now for some reason, it's not giving me the right preview here. So let's just, okay, then I want to pick the right page then. So I'll click on the page that I want, and then there you go, I can see, just squeeze this down so you can see better. So you can see the post that I created is here. So that's what it's going to look like. So we can see that the link is above the fold in the newsfeed, which is great. And then we've got the image and all the info that we created there. So if we want to select the pixels, I might create a new pixel actually for her to put on her sales registration page. So I'm going to do checkouts, bundle checkouts, and I can give her this to put on there. Create a pixel. And I can add the pixel to my website. Just going to take that. Okay. And I'm just going to pop that on there. Give that, just getting rid of that one there. Okay, and then I'm going to select that pixel. Okay, it's going to ask me to verify it because we haven't put it on yet. So I only want to show that in the newsfeed desktop and mobile ad. And then I want to create my targeting audience. Now this is where I'm going to use the custom audiences that I used before, because I want to use Denise's list. I don't know why that's not showing that. Let me just... wonder why that's not letting me do that. This is the thing with Power Editor. It can always be a little bit interesting. Maybe I had uploaded that into my own account before rather than in her account. Let's just have a look. So I've got that back to ads. I have a little feeling I may have uploaded that into my account. Let's have a look. No, that should be in Denise's. Do you know what I didn't do? I didn't upload the changes. This is a little bit of a trick. We need to make sure we've uploaded. There you go. You get to see my errors as we go. Sometimes I forget when I was showing you in the last video that we needed to upload those changes. That should upload everything. That's fine. Okay, good. Just checking there wasn't anything else we missed out on there. Let's just see. Might not let me add that right now. I think I have to actually get out of it for it to register. So what I'll do in the meantime is I'm just going to do it to her audience. So, and then I can go back in and check. So Denise Duffield Thomas Facebook page, and that gives me, I want to make sure that we do more countries than that. Main English speaking countries. So just so you're aware, when I have uploaded that custom audience, I can just start typing in here and it's going to bring it up. So I can bring up that lookalike, or I can bring up her list there. I don't mind. I can leave the age, everything there, because I want to target all the people connected to her page. That gives us 7,200. Then I go to bidding. I'm going to keep it to CPC. I'm going to pop it to the high end because we don't have a lot of time to get this one up and running. So I'll pop that on the high end. Normally I just say pop 99 cents in there, and to be honest, actually I might just do that because we don't really want to pay more than $1 a click. Then once that's done, we can click on that. There's no error signs. All we need to do is click on upload changes, and you can see there that it's adding one ad set, one ad. So that should be up and running once that's approved. So you see what we were setting up there is another page post newsfeed ad in Power Editor that we wanted to link up with custom audiences. So that shows you how to do that. I might just add another little video when the custom audience is up so you can see how I pulled that down. Okay, thanks for that.